Hello guys, and welcome back to my video. So in the previous video I showed you how to register a new user using firebase on authentication. So in this video we are going to learn how to use firebase authentication to sign in a user that is already registered, right? So let's in this video we'll be working in the sign in. So I'm sorry for the noise. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to copy. I'm just going to copy the XML. I'm just going to copy the XML from this this register, and then we are going to paste it in here to save time. So I'm just going to paste it in here. So here I'm just going to. This is sign in activity. Right. So the next thing is we are going to, okay, so we are going to initialize our edit text with an email and also a password. We have a pattern which is the sign in pattern. We're just going to call it the sign in btn. Then I'm just going to then I'm going to change it to sign in. Okay guys, I'm sorry for the noise. So now we are going to initialize. We are going to attach our edit text into just going to find it using view by ID. We have the email, we have the password, then we're going to use the sign in. Okay, so now we are going to create the set on click listener for the sign in pattern. Okay, now we are going to create a method. So this is almost similar to the one we did with registering new users, but I'll just show you the difference. So we are going to say sign private. We need to use void since we are not retaining everything. We are not retaining anything. We need to use void, right? So here we are going to use email string. The email string is equals to, oh, sorry. So we need to set this value to a string. Is equals to email. We are going to get the text entered by the user. Get text to string. Then we are going to also get the password. Let's just call it password string. Is to password. We are going to get the text and then we are going to convert it to a string. Now the other thing is we need to initialize firebase like we did before. Firebase auth auth. Then we get the instance of the firebase and then we are going to say auth dot. The last time we used create user with email and password. In this case, we are using sign in user with email and password. We pass in our email string, our password string, and then we set we add an on complete listener. So what this on complete listener does is that it checks if this sign in is complete, and then if it's complete, it's going to retain this task, and then we can use this task to verify if the sign in is successful or not. As you can see, you can use dot is cancel is complete. So in this case, we're just going to use is successful. So if it's successful, then we want to navigate the user to the main activity. Yeah, to this activity. So new intent, sign in dot, and then main activity dot class. So we start this activity. Else, so if the user is not able to sign in, we'll print a toast. Sorry, it should be inside these curly brackets. This toast should be sorry. Sign you in. You create an account. So you need to be clear with your users. So one thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change this register activity as the launch activity. I'm just going to use the sign in activity. Then here I'm going to use register. Then I just swap them. So now that we are done here, we are just going to call this method in our pattern, sign in user. Then we run our application. Right. So as you can see, I'm just going to show you my dashboard here. I'm already logged in isheunesu@mail.com. So in order to use to sign in a user, they need to be logged in. So yeah, at mail.com. And then put in our password. As you can see. Okay, I made a typo here. Let's see. As you can see, I have logged in. Now I'm now in the main activity. So this is how we use Firebase to sign in and also to register a new user. So thanks for watching, guys. So if you really enjoyed this video, please do me a favor by liking the video, turn on the notification bell on so that you do not miss any of my videos. And also check if you're also interested in learning machine learning. You can also check my machine learning videos and also share this videos with your friends and family. And also you can put on more suggestions in the comments description below. Thanks for watching.